If you've been hearing the words digital marketing and think, that sounds so complicated, I get it. I've had that thought as well. At first, I believe digital marketing was only for big companies or tech savvy people with huge followings. I didn't see how it could fit into my world. But here's what I've come to understand: it's not as complicated as it seems. At its core, it's about connecting and helping people using the internet by providing value, making a difference, and yes, getting paid for it. And that could be by offering a product, a service, or even just an idea. In reality, it's a new way of doing something we've always done. Think of it like this: if you've ever helped somebody by way of offering advice, encouragement, a service, or a skill, the internet now allows you to do that exact same thing on a much bigger scale. You're no longer limited to just your neighborhood or your local community. With just a phone or a computer, you can reach people across the globe 24/7. So instead of handing out flyers, putting up signs, or cold calling, you now use tools like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, a website, email, or even texting. And the best part, there's several different ways to start. There's content marketing, which is sharing helpful videos, blog posts, or tips like this one. Or email marketing, sending valuable message straight to someone's inbox. Social media marketing, using platforms like Facebook to build a community. And affiliate marketing, recommending something you love and earn commission. Then there's product marketing, creating and selling a digital product, such as a course, a guide, or a workbook. But you don't have to do them all at once. You can begin with just one. Now, here's a question I was asked recently: Lorna, if digital marketing is about helping others and providing value online, what do I market if I don't have anything to sell? Such a great question. And here is my answer. One, you can be the product. Yes, you, really. Your story, your experience, your voice. That has value, even if you've never thought of it that way. You've lived through things. You've overcome challenges. You've figured things out that someone else is still struggling with. And that wisdom, that insight, that lived experience, it's gold. Someone out there is searching for the very thing you already know. And you can share it through a blog, YouTube channel, a mini course, a series of posts or short videos. So digital marketing is changing how we reach customers, how we get that message in front of the right people or those who need it. Or you can start with a digital marketing course that comes with master resale rights. That means you not only learn from the course, you also get the legal rights to resell it and keep 100% of the profit. I believe this is one of the smartest and simplest way to begin. When you haven't created your own product, this is the best. Here's why. You don't have to spend months figuring out things alone. You get the training, a high quality digital product, and a ready to go sales system. It's all laid out in a simple step-by-step format that gives you a clear path. You learn how to get attention online, build trust with an audience, and sell without being pushy. And you'll discover how to turn your story or knowledge into real income. These are skills you can use in any business at any age from anywhere. That being said, you're not just investing in a course, you're getting what I like to call a business in a box. With Master Resale Rights, you're learning from the course and you're applying the skills in building your own business. And then you can resell the course as if it's your own, because it is. keeping 100% of the profit. That means you're not just learning, you can launch a business. It's low cost with high potential, with no inventory, no storefront, and no tech overwhelm. It's like getting handed a car with the keys already in the ignition, and all you have to do is drive. Now, I know the online world can feel noisy and overwhelming. Everyone's got a strategy, everyone has an opinion. And if you're anything like I was, you might be asking, how do I avoid wasting time and money? And maybe, where do I even start? Let me tell you what truly worked for me. I stopped chasing every trend and shiny new idea. Instead, I found one clear, simple path and I committed to it. I had a course that laid everything out step by step. It showed me what to focus on, what to avoid, how to move forward with confidence. When something didn't click right away, I could pause, rewind, watch it again. No pressure, no confusion. But here's what made all the difference. I had a community, a group of people who were supportive, encouraging, and on the same journey. And I also had access to a coach who could guide me when I got stuck or needed clarity. That kind of support is a game changer because when you're surrounded by the right support, something shifts and you begin to believe in what's possible. And now I want you to remember something. You already have the heart, you already have the desire, and digital marketing is just the vehicle. It's the tool that can take you from where you are now to where you've always wanted to be. Digital marketing isn't just a skill. It's not just about tactics or tech. Behind it, it's about creating a life with more freedom, more flexibility, and whether you want extra income or more fulfillment doing something meaningful, this is your moment. Now, if something in this message sparks a little excitement, or if you've heard that quiet voice saying, maybe I can do this, then I invite you to take the next step. Click the link. Let's walk this out together. And if you're not quite ready, that's okay too. Stick around. Keep learning. Go at your own pace. Just remember this. Every step counts, even the slow ones. I'm Lorna, and I'll see you in the next video.